So another project that I worked on over the winter is a new flagpole for the boat. Now you can loosen these up. This is just a standard flagpole that I bought from one of the local stores. And it's got the mounts here with the connectors for the flag. The intent is it's going to be on one of the top rod holders on my center console so it doesn't fly out. The challenge we had was we had a sectional piece that I bought off Amazon, and we put it in the rod holder, got it all situated, and then we ended up back at the dock and it was all gone. The sectional came apart. That was the end of that. So this one, I'll show you here in a minute, is just a standard one-piece flagpole from the store that I've modified. And so the modification here was I took some foam that you would normally get to secure and insulate pipes in your basement, measured it out to the size of the rod holder, and then I wrapped it with electrical tape. Now this will help buffer it. It's a little springy and spongy, not too bad, to give it a little bit more stiffness, but also to keep the water from affecting it too much. Now the tricky part here was drilling the holes right here, and you'll see that I put some rubber bushings inside of here so that when I put the paracord through, it wouldn't rip it automatically. Now, why did I use this paracord? Well, whenever you put this in the rod holder, I put one of these buttons here on the bottom so that I can adjust it around the bottom of the rod holder up on the top of my center console. So the idea is this fits down in the rod holder, this fits underneath the rod holder itself, and then you just cinch it tight so that way the rod holder won't fly out whenever you're underway. Now, you had to wrap this extremely tight because those foam parts from the insulating styrofoam for the pipes is actually quite bulky. And so being able to take this, tighten it down with the electrical tape and get it to fit in the rod holder, it's a little bit of a project. Took me probably about an hour to make the adjustment to it, but it fits perfectly in the rod holder. Cinch this down. This isn't going anywhere.